Today on JiK Labs, we're going to do some rounding. Not with the standard rounding equations, but we're going to look at ceiling and floor. Let's get rounding. Now that you have Excel open and ready to go, you're going to see we have some data here. We have cost, selling price, and the item number. But what we want to do today is we want to set a uniform format for our sell price. Right now we have 49.69 and then 83 cents, 48 cents, and 11. We want to make the sell price as a multiple of 5 cents. So how do we do that? Well, if we were to utilize the round function, let's come in here and just look at it real quick, equals round up, and we want that to 2 decimal places. That's going to round up to 49.70, and that would actually work for us. So let's copy and paste this guy down and see what that's going to look like. And let's come in here and call this round up. But that doesn't work for the second, third, or fourth ones. So we just got lucky on the first guy. So now let's look at the ceiling function. Ceiling function and floor functions are two rounding functions in Microsoft Excel. Ceiling will round up to the nearest multiple in which you set forth, where floor will round down to the multiple in which you've told it. So let's jump right into it. Equals ceiling, and the number that we want to set, that's going to be our sell price. And the significance is we want to go to 5 cents. Close out those parentheses, and we'll hit enter. Let's set these up as dollars and copy this guy down. Now you can see that we have 49.70, 85, 50, and 15 cents. And this is what this equation looks like. So it's ceiling, open the parentheses, the cell in which you want to look at, comma, and the multiple you want to do. So let's just come in here and change this first equation to 1. So it's going to make it a multiple of 1, which would be 49.69 would be $50. But let's leave it at 0.05 for 5 cents. And now let's do the same thing with floor. We come in here, same exact setup as ceiling. We're going to select the number in which we want to look at, and we're going to set the significance or the multiple. Again, we're going to go 5 cents, close out those parentheses and hit enter, and we're going to see 49.69 became 49.65. Once again, we'll format these guys, and this is what that equation looks like. Floor, open the parentheses, the cell or the number in which you want to round, and then the multiple in which you want to round to. So, two very simple equations that help you round your numbers, make them a little bit more uniform, because sometimes round up and round down do not get you what you are looking for. Now let's come in here real quick and do round down just to show you. Come in here and we'll go to 2 decimal places as well. And then you can see it doesn't get you what you want if you're looking for divisible by 5. The ceiling and floor functions are two functions that are highly useful in Microsoft Excel if you are trying to round up to a multiple of something. Round up, round down, or round in general will round you to the nearest decimal places in which you're looking for, but ceiling and floor take it to the next step to allow you to round to a specific multiple that you're looking at. And for this example, we've used 5 cents. We hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that little notification bell so you can stay up to date on all of our latest videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.